Hello, let's continue looking at the hazards that are linked to convergent plate boundaries. Now, in addition to the earthquakes and volcanic eruption that we have mentioned, there is also what we call tsunamis. Tsunamis are giant waves that occur on the surface of the ocean, and these giant waves are usually caused by submarine earthquakes. When we talk about submarine earthquakes, we are saying that there are some earthquakes that occur within the ocean. And when they occur within the ocean, they have that possibility to disturb the ocean water, creating now giant waves on the surface of the water. Now, if these giant waves happen to move towards the coastal environment and finally makes a landfall, large quantity of water will flow onto the land, and this will bring about severe destruction. Now, let's move on to look at a situation where you have the collision plate margins. Talking about collision plate margins, we said that a collision plate margin is a plate margin where you have both plates being continental. When these two plates, which are continental, meet, they'll crush into each other and they'll produce fold mountains. Now, in that process, you're also going to have lots of vibration, earthquakes that will occur, and they are, of course, going to bring about destruction on the surface of the earth. Now, in situation where you have uh, the two plates separated by a body of water before they ever start moving, you'll discover that within the water, you're going to have uh, layers of sediments. Now, when these two plates start moving towards each other, these sediments are forced to rise into a series of fold above the sea level, creating creating fold mountains. And in this situation, when the compressional forces are too strong, different types of uh, different types of folds are going to be created. We talk about in albatross fold, recumbent folds, and so on and so forth. And in such areas, you might also have cracks or naps occurring. And these naps, when they extend to the base of the crust, then there is a possibility for some mountain material to flow through these naps and come onto the surface. And when this happens, that again will become a volcanic eruption, and of course, its effects on the surface of the earth are of course very obvious. Thank you.